Oh, what's up, guys? You're watching Tech Zibon. Today, I'm going to show how to make YouTube account. Okay, account means YouTube channel. So, if you like if you want to make the Google channel, please watch until last. And if you like, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay. So let's start. Okay, let's start our video. Okay, at first of all, please let me this recording. Okay. Oh, okay. First of all, we should have to go to any browser. Okay, like Chrome, Opera Mini, and so more. Okay, go to any browser. Especially, I recommend for you to use Chrome. Very easy it is. Okay, and type. Oh, at last video I have shown you how to make a Gmail account. Please watch that video clicking on my channel. Okay, okay, and you're in down. Okay, so after making a Gmail, you can go to youtube.com. Okay, youtube.com. Go to youtube.com and enter the page will be appeared. Okay, what the hell. Can go to, first of all, you should have to switch account, means I have already entered any account. Okay, and that account. So if you are under new account, then please add there. Okay, add account. Then there are so many. I have made that time. I have made this. Okay, this very. I have made this. So and now I have signed in. What the hell is this? Okay, now I have signed in my account. That time some error have been done. Okay, now I have signed in my account. Then go to your this way. Click on your profile. Go to my channel. There comes on a dialog box. What the channel you want to name, you can write. Like I want to name best funny funny. Okay, any name you want to put your name. Okay, and create channel. Click to create channel. Okay, then there is some time for loading. Okay, here comes a little bit something error have been done here. Okay, please reload the page. Look, my account has been made. Okay, created. Now you can put your images. Look here, you can put your image by look your camera showing you your camera. Look, yes, camera, and click here. Okay, edit channel icon means this profile. You can edit. Okay, edit. Then click to edit. There it comes. this account is not okay. Go to this which account you have, go to that and go to click and upload a photo from your laptop, computer or your mobile phones again. And you can write anything, you can put your choice, okay, you can put your choice. You can open it, look, and you are given two option to that part. I can cropping, okay, and you can crop the channel icon. It's done, okay. If it is done, then click to done. It will take few minutes. Okay, now, and if you want to make a background picture, you can upload a photo. But first of all, you should have to edit. Okay, edit here. You can download Paint 3D in any browser and can okay, and look this put any pictures insert, okay. You're very easy to edit in this Paint 3D, okay. And I like with this, okay. Opening, and please make it the size of 22550 and here 1140, okay. Just make the image of this much, okay, and 140. No, don't think that. Okay, this we can look here. Look, you can put any photo like this and do done. Done means done. Okay, DONE, done. Okay. So please enter it and your YouTube account is made and your name all adding is done, okay. You're done. Look, once it will take up to 1 day to come in this profile. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share, okay. And don't forget to subscribe, and if you want the latest news from Tech Jimon, then please press the bell icon right to subscribe, okay.